That was me, right?
No.
Just kidding.
No.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube. You're going on YouTube, Jesse.
Oh.
I'm gonna send it to you.
I know. And then watch me go.
This is not gonna get no likes if you don't do nothing, Jesse.
I don't want like, I want to be left alone. Whoa.
You're so stupid.
Dude, Jesse, do something, man.
I had the nails multiple times. I used to cry when they'll hit me with a pillow.
We're bullying Jesse. Are you here, fag? You're a fag. Go die in a hole with your little skateboard. You freaking giant with the meatball haircut.
Totally not gonna like.
Do you know?
They're
Hit
gonna
me
be like,
one more time, I fucking dare you.
oh, put a board.
I didn't hit you.